Welcome back to Mr. Money Phone. My name's Ryan, and today I'll be showing you how to connect Bluetooth devices using the iPhone 13 Pro. First, we're going to go to Settings and go to Bluetooth. Make sure that your Bluetooth on your phone is on, and then you'll be able to see all the devices that you already have connected, but we want to connect a new device. So for this, I'm going to be using my Apple AirPods. Your Bluetooth device should have a button that allows it to become discoverable. On these AirPods, there's a button on the back, so I'm going to hold that. And when I do that, the white light here should blink, and now you see that the AirPods connect. We hit connect, and now that Bluetooth device is connected. You can also forget devices by going to the device and hitting this I here and hitting forget device. And if you want to connect it, just follow the same exact things I just did. Make the device discoverable. It should come up on your phone. Click on it, and you will connect to the Bluetooth device. And that is how to connect the Bluetooth devices on the iPhone 13 Pro.